let's take a look at trends in jobs people do. There are three big trends in jobs people do. First, work has shifted from manufacturing to service. Today, over two-thirds of US workforce is employed in producing and delivering service, not products. Second, today in companies like Uber and Upwork, most workers aren't employees at all. They're freelancers and independent contractors who work when they can on what they want to work on and when they're needed. Finally, more jobs are becoming high tech. Jobs like engineers are always emphasized in terms of knowledge and education. The big change now is that even traditional manufacturing jobs like assembler are increasingly high tech. For managers, the challenge here is that they'll have to manage such workers differently.